Vadini. I'm from RPIIT College, Karnal. Today we are going to learn about linear search using C. Linear search is also known as sequential search and is a simple method of finding a target element within a list or an array. It works by iterating through each element of the array one by one and comparing it of the array one by one. Let's start from the program from the scratch. Hash include stdio. These two are the header files. What is stdio? It means it includes the standard input and output library for using printf and scanf. Then we have hash include conio.h, which used for consoles, that is input and output functions like getch, although it is not used here. Then main is the main functions which we use, and int a10. It is an array of size 10 to hold the integers. Then index we used as a loop counter here. Item, this is the number of the user you want to search in the array. Then flag, which we are representing as 0, which used to indicate whether the item was found or not found. So flag 0 is not found initially. Then let's start with the functionality over here. Input array, where we are for index equal to 0, index is less than equal to 9, then index plus plus, which means it runs a loop 10 times to take user input for the array A0 to A9. Then input to search, where we are using like copy, edit, and scanf. Here it takes the element to search the user, or it's like written over here, taking input array from the user. Then main linear search, how can we do here? With a loop, we are putting one loop over here, loops through the array, which compares each element with the item. If not found, so here if match is there, then print index, this one, and so we make the flag 1 over here. If the match is found, then print its position, means index. So if flag is 0, it will write. If no match is found, then flag was never set to 1, but it prints not found. Let's run this program first. Enter some elements over here. So we need to search, let's say 55. Then it's written the positions were found at 2, found at 5, and found at 9. So this is the linear search. If you like our video, to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.